touch me. Just follow every move. Touch me. Let me know you want it too. Don't know what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close.
Day 2. Good morning, guys. It's our second day, and we're going to have an island hopping today. I'm sorry I wasn't able to do an intro for I was so tired yesterday.
Island hopping will take 4 to 5 hours depending on the operator.
First stop will be to Puka Beach. I can now see the famous
It will take 30 minutes to reach Puka Beach.
It looks like everybody is excited, especially me. Ha ha ha. Look at the palm trees.
We're finally here. First stop, Puka Beach.
This island is so beautiful.
Look how the sky and the sea blends.
Don't forget how green those trees are. The water is turquoise.
Spell turquoise.
I mean, look at how clear the water is.
Who's ready?
I am. It's time for kayak. Let's go.
Crystal kayak is a must-try activity in Boracay.
This is an Instagrammable photo activity.
Snap your most Instagrammable photos while on the crystal kayak.
This amazing guide can help you take those amazing photos. They are pro.
This activity is ideal for individuals, couples, or even families with children.
Puka Beach, also known as Yapak Beach, is 800 meters long and fronted by a big cliff with a forest alongside it.
Barcata picture. Solo picture.
After exploring Puka Beach, we're now heading to Crocodile Island.
Crocodile Island from a distance looks like a crocodile lying on the sea.
The waters are crystal clear and the waters near the island are ideal for snorkeling.
Wait, head Sorba.
I mean it. It's the camera that is not clear, not the waters.
Hala, Nalumo's Nakadai.
Crocodile Island is considered one of the best diving spots in Boracay. You can see small fish swimming around that big fish. I mean, water. If you go deep into the water, you can see more fish. Don't forget your underwater camera.
Who's hungry?
I am. Finally, Ariel happened to me. One wash clean salaba. It's just $7.50.
At the end of island hopping tour, Unli Buffett is waiting.
Welcome to Shingli Picnickin'. Come on in.
Before the island hopping tour ends, lunch buffet is waiting for you. The R is so clean and well ventilated.
Let's call it a day. End of day 2.
Dilly Pawai. Subscription is free. Thumbs up and comments are highly appreciated.
See you on part 3.